we're gonna be down there soon. All the way down there in a couple of minutes.
Oh. Can you imagine dropping all the way down here?
I would not like to imagine that, thank you very much. Yeah, it would be. I don't think they'd be joking. We're immersed in the trees now.
Like if we're going to be climbing stuff.
Yeah. Unless we go back and do the other one. Or do you want to do this one?
Let's do this one. Let's do the challenge one.
Let's do it. I'm down.
I don't see one.
Of course. You know I'm the most gang bitch you'll ever meet. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to jump. So we're getting further and further in. We're pretty much in the trees now. And there's like a pretty little bridge just here. Take us there. There's already some water already starting to form. So beautiful. I just feel like if you have the time, why not? Why not explore the earth? Wow, Rena, there's another waterfall here. Really? Yeah, and like a cute little picnic table. That is so cute. I don't know where this leads up to. Water is starting to fall. Getting closer and closer to where we need to be.
Wow.
Yeah, so beautiful. Stepping stones. Woo! We still got a bit more to go, but I guess I'll just take you guys with us. So that's the waterfall there. That's the first waterfall. We're going to 3 different waterfalls today. There's 3 different waterfalls located on this walking track. This is the biggest one, I believe. And there's 2 other beautiful ones that we're going to see later on. But just take all of that in. And it goes all the way down. Look at that little family of birds. Can you believe we were up there?
I know.
And now we're down here. So low that we're in the trees with the birds. That's insane. And these beautiful waterfalls. It's so crazy to think what's deep beneath the earth. It's like a whole other ecosystem.
Wait, can I take the phone out?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'll carry
No, all good, all good. There's like a little tunnel here.
I think only Maya would be able to fit.
Definitely not going in there. Because, you know, but it's interesting.
Wow, so cool. I feel like a platypus.
Where?
No, I said I feel like a platypus.
Oh.
Because I can like envision the
I thought you said you saw one. I was like, oh my god. Another waterfall. Found another one hidden in here. Get a better look at it. We're literally waterfall hunting, hey?
Yeah, I know.
Because it's like, what's this, number 5? Yeah. That's exciting.
Wow, look at this.
You know where we should go?
Where?
The Daintree Rainforest.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
2 hours away or something?
No, I think it's more than that. It's like in the Northern Territory.
Oh, yeah.
Like near Darwin.
Up there.
Or is it in Queensland? If it's in Queensland.
I don't know why I thought it was in New South Wales.
I don't know why you thought that too. 2 hours away. I mean, I guess to some people who live there. Wow! Oh my goodness! They just keep getting better and better. I feel like we're just getting deeper and deeper into the mountain though, so the water's just gonna get more and more nice. You and your stick. Reckon?
Yeah.
I reckon just walk through the creek. Oh shit, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Just go this, yeah. Oh my god. Who we? Yeah, you're right, Rena. I'm always right. I mean, even if I went there, it would have been the same outcome. Yeah. But thanks though. And then we just climb up here. All these boulders, we're gonna have to climb them. This is like the little bit of sun we've seen in like an hour.
Guinea Trail.
Which one?
The Papua New Guinea Trail.
What's that like?
Have you heard of it?
Nah.
It's for like 7 days. It's like a
Oh
crazy trail.
wow. But yeah, this is a little bit of sun that we've seen in a couple of hours. Exciting. But we've got a long way to go. But I'm excited. It's fun. At first it's obviously scary because, you know, you have all these rocks you have to climb. But it's cool.
Really?
Where did it go? Disappeared. Where?
There. She's like digging something. Oh, fucking bitch is gone. She doesn't want to associate with us.
I can't see it.
She's gone.
Is it gone?
Yeah. Find her like the top.
What was it?
I don't know.
But it was so pretty.
Oh, there's another one.
Where?
I think it's the same one.
Move. I want to take a video.
Oh, she's gone though. You have to chase her.
Oh, damn it. Damn it. Okay. Oh, it's such a pretty sound. Pretty little bird. I feel like it's gonna hop out somewhere. It has to. Where'd you see the other one?
It's somewhere in the corner. Keep an eye out for her. She's somewhere.
There it is. Hi. Hi, pretty baby.
Oh, cute.
I want to see it like move its wings again, or it's like feather tails.
It's really gone now.
Yeah, it's really good at camouflaging.
Yeah.
Oh, there. What is that?
It's not a bin chicken.
An ibis. A bin drinking juice bird. These have like moss on them.
Yeah, it's really
It makes them
pretty.
look like they're glowing.
Yeah.
And like, look at that tree. It's just like completely stripped.
Wow.
Oh, it's so pretty. You know, at nighttime it looks like, or when the sky is white, like cloudy, it looks like black
Yeah.
snowflakes in the sky. Don't you think so?
Yeah, I know. Oh, this is so weird.
We're up here now. We're getting higher up now,
You know what I made
as you
for
can
Joshua?
tell. What did you make? Yeah, and you know what's the best thing? Everybody's so nice. Like, you just ask them, like, or they say, like, thank you
Yeah.
and hi. Or they just ask you, like, how long have you been walking?
Yeah, I know.
So sweet. Like, can we just look at this moss, please? So, I love it. Yeah, it is so soft. It's so soft and pretty. I feel like a billy goat. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, look at that tree. It's red. I love red trees. Yay, we're almost at the peak. I can't believe we actually did this. Don't they like bite people?
Yeah, they can. They're nice.
This passage is literally just green.
Well, this is a steep one. Like a really thin one, sorry. Where do you think what we should get for lunch?
I think we should go to that takeaway place and get the fish cakes. They were so yum. And they have like potato salad and burgers and stuff. Yeah. So it'll be a good feed. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera away. This is getting a bit more steep.
Oh shit, this looks scary.
Yeah. Oh my god, I made it.
How'd you make that?
I just jumped. Go, Rena.
Oh, got it.
Wee. Yeah, it's a little bird. Hi. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute.
Where is it? I can't see it.
It's right there.
Cute! Tweety tweety!
Tweet, tweet. This is a parkour moment. Let's fucking do it. Parkour. I'm gonna do it with one. Oh,
Wait, where is it?
oh, it's really not that hard actually. I was like, this is a parkour moment.
Yeah. Oh shit.
What happened to this tree? Questions we'll never get answers to. Yeah. That's a bit, how you doing?
Yeah.
But it's fine.
I remember when you were obsessed with Friends.
What do you
And How I
mean?
Met Your Mother.
No, I never liked How I Met Your Mother. I mean, I never really gave it a chance, but I heard it's like really good. I should actually give it a go.
We can do
well.
this. We can do this.
Well. Well.
We got
Not
this.
kidding.
hold
Mountain
your back.
mountain goat moment. Nah, it's actually not that bad. I probably shouldn't hold my phone, but let's just fucking do it. Yep. You know how I said I probably shouldn't hold my phone? I dropped it. I should probably listen to my instincts. Listen to your instincts, guys. Parkour moment number 2.
That was easy.
Oh yeah, we nearly fell just going down that thing.
Are you sure something?
Yeah, I mean, where else should we walk?
Yeah, true.
Oh my god, is it?
Fuck, is it?
Yeah, I reckon it is. Okay, we'll just go. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone away because I don't want it to fall again. I will see you guys when we get to the top. Expecting this. Whoa! Lucky number 7. That is so beautiful.
Wow. I'm taking a photo.
100%. We need to swim here one time.
I know.
Take it in! Woo! I don't know which rock to step on, hey? To get to there. Yeah. Look at the birds up there. We're so far down. Look at the birds.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna swim here next week. I'll vlog that as well for you guys.
That'd be really fun.
That would be really fun. This is so pretty. I can't. We were up there before, and then we were like, we're gonna be down here later, and we even went further than that. And now we're back up here. I think that's literally the best part.
I'm so proud of us.
Yeah, this is so fun. It's also fun to see how far you've walked and how far you still have to go. And just when you get to the side of the mountain where you can see the peaks, like that's really fun too. I'm gonna put my phone away for this one.
Okay.
Another challenge awaits us. I'll see you guys at the top again.
Oh, this looks fine.
Yeah.
Just steps.
Yeah. Let's do it.
The other.
Whew. That is.
He's gonna come down?
No,
Oh no, we're just waiting. Still so high. The view is amazing. The walk. It is a far walk. Alright,
Like
it
all
is.
the way, people who are doing like 3-4 nights must be all the way down that way.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Really? The furthest I've ever walked. I still have all those stairs to go. Oh. But it was a good experience. Met a lot of friendly people on the way up here. I feel like once you get to the stairs, everybody starts to struggle. But it's a good... The first time's always the hardest. I've done like 4 different trails. I've just never done this one. This is my first time on this trail. And it's a lot of stairs, but it's beautiful regardless. We made it to the top pretty much. I mean, they're still up there, but down there, that's where the pool was. Blue pool we were at, that's where it started. And we were all the way down beneath those trees. And now we're up where the skies are. Where? Yeah. I think that's where we're headed towards.
That's so cool.
We're gonna do the call.
Now?
See if anybody does it back to you.
I don't know if these people are coming.
I think they are. Yeah, we'll wait for them, I guess.
Yeah.
I hope one of them does it, so we don't have to. Imagine we make the wrong sound and everybody starts like, what was that?
I just want to do like a really loud fart and it echoes
Oh
through
my
like, the
god.
entire canyon.
Of course you said that. I'm not taking that out. I'm not taking that out. That is staying in the video.
Careful not to drop your phone again.
Literally. So we suppressed that waterfall. We suppressed that waterfall. We suppressed even further down, beyond those rocks, beyond that trail. See that trail beyond there? Can't really see it.
It's like going to like a conservative, what do you call it? Conservatorium.
You think so?
With reeds and stuff.
Alright, let's roll. It's like the tree, it's like the mountain has a beard.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. Oh, so cute! Look at them! Oh! After all those hours, we're at the top. Past that waterfall, past all these trees, and now we're up here. We made it. We really, really made it, Rena.